What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have something cool, you guys. Something for the garage fanatics out there, or the shop fanatics, wherever you have your tools at. So right here, we have a magnetic tool holder. Now, this is a strip holder. This is pretty cool, you guys. So you can put your measuring tapes on there. You can put all your tools on there, your screwdrivers, your pliers, easy access, take off, put on. So here we go. All right, you guys, so this is 12 inches long. This is a 4-pack, so you do get 4 individual strips. Perfect, so you could put more tools on there. It's at a decent price, you guys. I'll put the Amazon link in the description. So let's go ahead and get into it. It says it holds up to 10 pounds. We will see how strong the magnet is though. So here we go. Okay, this is pretty heavy. All right, so here we go. It looks like is this paper on top? Am I supposed to take this paper off? No, I don't think so. All right, so right here you have 2 places where you can put screws. You put it up and that will be it, you guys. Just make sure it's level when you put it up. Or if you want your stuff vertical, horizontal, if you even want it in an angle, if your style is to put it in an angle, you could do whatever you want. I'm not telling you what's the right way and I'm not telling you what's the wrong way, but what I am going to tell you is the magnet is pretty strong. So right here I have my heart measuring tape for testing, and there you go. Sticks right on, you guys. This is awesome. And the only metal part right there is the clip, and it is on there. All right, so there you go. So I'm not going to do a wiggle test, you guys, because it's going to be on the wall. There will be no shaking. Okay, so there you go with that. All right, and we will do the final review once I put everything up. As for what I see, there's no cap cover for the holes. So your holes are out there, okay? I don't know if that mean anything to anybody. So, you know, when you put your screws on, there's nothing to cover the holes, just in case you want this to look like uniform. It did say it was an extension on there, so you can use this if you want to use this as like one body. So here you go. If you want to extend it, you can extend it. If you want this to be one long piece, you can do that. All right. I might just do that. I'm not sure yet. It is time for me to go to the garage, so I will see y'all in the garage. The first thing you want to do is get yourself a stud finder. Look for your stud. I know it's over here somewhere, so I found the stud here. The next thing you want to do, get yourself a leveler like this. This is very useful, has a magnet to it. Stick it right on top. Unless you just wanted to level it out. Before you do this, make sure you know what you're doing, because I'm working around electricity here. You don't want to puncture your wires. All right, so the stud is right here. All right, so I'm right on the stud and I have no studs. Just want to make it straight as possible. Pencil, pencil. A lot of dust here too. Be leveled, right? Yep, and we're still level. And it's perfect. And I dropped that. That's on me. So there you go. Put hammer. Let's see, is this metal? Oh, the clip on it is metal. There we go. All right, what else? What else we have, you guys? I will put the rest of them up and we will be done with that. So that is pretty cool. Okay, you guys, so since I showed y'all how to hook up one, now I'm going to take it down and connect 2 of them together, anchors on them, and we are absolutely leveled already. All right, so we took those off. Now we're going to slide it out. All right. Well, I didn't have to slide it out. So we are going to put back on. I didn't have to slide it out, you guys. But now we're gonna slide both of them on. Now I'm just gonna put one screw in just to hold it level. Okay, so it's saying it's a stud right here. No stud. All right, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Level up, level up, level up. Fully level, we're gonna make 2 marks. Bada boom. Yep. 2 that will work. Easy as 1, 2, 3, you guys. This is so easy. Anybody can do it. All right, now we're gonna hook everything back up. All right, now this is a heavy socket, you guys. All right, Pittsburgh from Harbor Freight, and it's holding it very well. That was from vibration. Oh, okay, probably because of that lump, but it holds right there. So that's pretty good, but this is heavy though. I think it's the way it's shaped. There we go. It's holding on. Something light, something light. Screwdrivers. There you go. A couple of more things. All right, you guys, so it looks pretty cool. I'm not even gonna lie. I might purchase a couple of more of these, but this is pretty awesome. So let's go ahead and wrap this up. All right, you guys, so that is it. This is like the coolest thing ever, you guys, all right? And again, we have 4 total. So if I wanted to, I could have made a whole strip, make another strip, and keep going, but I have plans for this wall right here. So I might go ahead and when I finish painting this, I gotta finish painting, you guys. I know I got lazy, but I might put these 2 on the bottom here, all right? And then put this one on the bottom. Or I might go on the opposite side since my auto side is over here. This is my auto side, you guys. So I might put the other 2 over here and put my sockets over there where it's easy to reach my sockets. So that will be it, all right? If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.